We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, this is Brittany over here at Onyx. Today we are working with an HP LaserJet Pro M201DW. If you're getting an error message to replace your toner, then we're going to show you how to do that today. So we're going to replace your toner cartridge. There is two different cartridges for this printer. There's a CF283A. The yield on that is going to be 1,500 pages. And then for the other cartridge, it's a CF283X. The yield on that is going to be 2,200 pages. So what you're going to do is you're going to lift the top lid. You're going to reach in and pull your toner handle out. It should be very easy. There is guides on here, so make sure when you're putting your toner back in that you follow the path right here. You're going to get your new toner, put your guides in the correct spot. That way you don't break anything. And just once it clicks, you know it's in. You shut your lid. It should calibrate and then you should be good to go. If you're in need of supplies or a quote, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.